Hi everyone, it's Josie here at the Tresham Hub, and I have a great news for you. We will be having a new workshop that will be going on for 6 weeks, and this lovely lady that I have got right here will tell us a little more about it. Hi, could you introduce yourself and tell me what are you bringing here to the hub?
My name is Ariola or Arinola, and I'm bringing workshops to help people to make sense of how to use their phone. Either you want to learn about shopping online or banking online or looking for jobs online. If you know anybody that's struggling with getting online, please bring them to the workshop.
Oh yeah, that'd be really, really good. So the workshop will be held here at the Dagenham Library on Tuesdays from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So we are looking forward to enjoy with you tech savvy. Have a good day.
Tech.